Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I've got a follow-up video with you guys for the anti-metal NFC tags that I was telling you guys about. You want to make sure that you get the kind that has this backing on it that looks like a metal backing. So whenever I open this up, hopefully you can see that little shimmer. It looks like a silver shimmer. As long as you got that on the back, you should be good to go on these. These actually do work on the aluminum tags here. The aluminum cards. So as you can see, if I got it on that aluminum card, it will work there and it'll open up the thing that I programmed it to. Now with that said, I did notice something with these aluminum cards that you may want to be careful of. This is the original one that I showed you in the previous video. As you can see, there's some dings in it. The reason why is I had this buffer on the back. I tried pulling those buffers off and they're on there so strong that I had to pull them off with like a knife, and that ended up bending up the card. But these cards are pretty bendable. They're really thin, so they've got a lot of bend to them. As you can see, they bend quite a bit with little force. So I don't know if I would use these as business cards per se, but if you want to, they do work, and these NFC anti-metal tags do work. So go for it if you want it on metal. Just remember that you would want to invert whatever you're going to engrave on metal. That way it will show up the opposite. That's what I ended up doing for this one here. But what I would still recommend is these wooden cards that I do have a template for the wooden ones in my previous video that you've seen. These barely give at all whenever you flex them. So these barely bend. So this one bends like super easy like that, and then the wood ones are nice and rigid. So these would work a lot better as business cards, plus you can hide them on the insides and have that extra tag down here like I showed you in the last video. So I still recommend the wood, and you get the standard NFC tags worked with the wood one, and those are a lot cheaper than these anti-metal ones here. But all in all, I wanted to do the follow-up video so you can decide for yourself if you want to use these tags. They do work. And then you can use them on these aluminum tags. You can get, or aluminum cards here. You can get like a box of 50, pretty cheap. All in all, if you don't want to use this as business cards, these make great like nameplates or glue on to like projects. So that's up to you guys. I have all of the links in our affiliate shop link down below in the description. You'll see it. It's kind of like a long strand. It'll bring you straight to the recommended products for all my Glowforge items that I recommend. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoy making these cards that I've showed you. And other than that, we'll catch you guys in the next one.